This is Brittany, AI producer of The Digital Revolution with Jim Kunkel podcast, which should be your ultimate guide to the cutting-edge world of digital transformation, artificial intelligence, and intelligent technologies. After this broadcast ends, I ask that you sample some of the captivating weekly episodes and bonus content that covers incredible transformative topics from the digital revolution we find ourselves in right now. If you enjoy the episodes and bonus content discussions, then make sure to follow the podcast series on your favorite platform to stay updated on the digital innovations and more that's shaping our future. Please join and support the revolution today.
I'm Jim Kunkel, and welcome to the Digital Revolution. On this Nooner episode, I'll be covering the rise of AI data privacy. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought significant advancements, but it has also amplified concerns about data privacy. According to recent studies, 86% of the U.S. population views data privacy as a growing concern, reflecting widespread apprehension about how personal information is handled. Furthermore, 94% of businesses acknowledge that customers would not purchase from them if they failed to protect data properly. These statistics underscore the critical role of trust in the digital age, where AI-driven technologies increasingly rely on vast amounts of personal data for functionality and innovation. Another striking statistic reveals that 72% of Americans believe there should be stricter government regulations on the use of personal data. This sentiment aligns with the growing demand for transparency and accountability in AI applications. However, only 29% of consumers find it easy to understand how companies protect their data, highlighting a gap in communication and trust. As AI continues to evolve, addressing these concerns through robust privacy frameworks and ethical practices will be essential to fostering confidence and ensuring the responsible use of technology. Now let's get into this topic. Artificial intelligence has rapidly transformed from a futuristic concept into an integral part of daily life, seamlessly woven into how we work, communicate, and interact with technology. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms and virtual assistants in our homes to autonomous vehicles and advanced healthcare diagnostics, AI is revolutionizing industries and redefining convenience and efficiency. Its integration into everyday processes has been fueled by massive data collection and powerful machine learning algorithms, allowing AI to learn, adapt, and make decisions in ways that mimic human intelligence. This evolution is not just reshaping consumer experiences, but also driving innovation in sectors such as finance, manufacturing, and education. However, the meteoric rise of AI brings with it significant concerns about data privacy, creating a critical intersection between technological advancement and ethical responsibility. AI's reliance on vast data sets raises pressing questions about how personal information is collected, stored, and utilized. For individuals, this topic matters deeply, as privacy breaches can lead to identity theft, loss of autonomy, and unwarranted surveillance. For businesses, the stakes are equally high. Poor data handling can erode customer trust, result in hefty regulatory fines, and damage reputations. Navigating this intersection requires a delicate balance, leveraging the transformative potential of AI while safeguarding privacy and ensuring transparency. By addressing these challenges, both individuals and organizations can embrace AI's benefits with confidence and accountability. The role of data in AI. Artificial intelligence depends heavily on extensive data sets to operate effectively. By leveraging vast amounts of data, AI systems can learn patterns, make predictions, and continuously improve their performance. This process, often referred to as machine learning, involves training algorithms on structured and unstructured data to uncover insights, refine decision-making, and adapt to evolving inputs. For instance, a recommendation engine might analyze user preferences, viewing history, and feedback to suggest movies or products tailored to individual taste. The more data an AI system has access to, the more accurate and reliable its outputs become, underscoring the critical role data plays in powering intelligent technologies. AI utilizes various types of data, each serving a specific purpose. Personal data, such as names, addresses, and preferences, enables AI to deliver highly customized experiences. Behavioral data, like browsing habits, purchase history, and interaction patterns, helps AI anticipate user needs and optimize functionality. Contextual data, including location information, environmental factors, or device usage details, allows AI to adapt responses based on situational context. Examples of AI applications powered by these diverse datasets are abundant. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use contextual and personal data to answer questions, control smart devices, and provide recommendations. Autonomous vehicles rely on behavioral and environmental data to navigate roads and avoid collisions. Healthcare AI analyzes patient records, imaging data, and genetic information to enhance diagnostics and treatment plans. These applications highlight the transformative potential of AI when fueled by comprehensive and diverse data sets. Data privacy challenges in AI. The integration of AI into various industries has heightened the risks of data breaches and unauthorized access, as these systems often rely on vast amounts of sensitive information. AI's ability to process and store large data sets makes it an attractive target for cyber criminals seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. A single breach can expose personal, financial, or proprietary data, leading to significant financial losses, reputational damage, and legal repercussions for businesses. Moreover, unauthorized access to AI systems can result in the misuse of data, such as identity theft or the manipulation of algorithms for malicious purposes. These risks underscore the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and ethical data handling practices to protect both individuals and businesses. Another pressing concern is the issue of user consent regarding how their data is utilized for training AI models. Many users are unaware of the extent to which their information is collected, shared, and analyzed, raising questions about transparency and accountability. Without explicit consent, the use of personal data for AI training can infringe on privacy rights and erode trust in technology. Additionally, the growing prevalence of AI surveillance, such as facial recognition and tracking systems, has sparked fears of unwarranted monitoring and loss of anonymity. Compounding these challenges are algorithmic biases that arise from poorly curated or unregulated data, which can perpetuate discrimination and inequality. Addressing these issues requires a concerted effort to establish clear guidelines, enforce ethical standards, and prioritize fairness in AI development and deployment. Global statistics and trends. Public perceptions of data privacy have grown increasingly cautious as artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into daily life. A recent Pew Research Center survey revealed that 52% of Americans feel more concerned than excited about AI's expanding role, marking a 14% increase in concern within just a year. This growing unease stems from the realization that AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising questions about how this information is collected, stored, and used. Additionally, 67% of Americans report understanding little to nothing about how companies handle their data, highlighting a significant gap in transparency and trust. These statistics underscore the public's desire for greater control and clarity over their personal information in the age of AI. High-profile cases have further amplified concerns about data privacy. For example, incidents involving unauthorized access to AI-powered facial recognition systems have sparked debates about surveillance and the potential misuse of sensitive data. Similarly, breaches of AI-driven healthcare platforms have exposed patient records, emphasizing the critical need for robust security measures. These cases illustrate the tangible risks associated with inadequate data protection and the importance of implementing ethical practices and regulatory frameworks. As AI continues to evolve, addressing these concerns will be essential to fostering public trust and ensuring the responsible development of intelligent technologies. Privacy regulations and their impact. privacy regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, which is known as the GDPR in the European Union, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, referred to as the CCPA in the United States, have significantly reshaped how businesses and organizations approach data handling, especially in the context of artificial intelligence. These laws enforce stringent requirements regarding the collection, storage, and processing of personal data, emphasizing transparency, user consent, and the right to access or delete personal information. For AI developers, this means that systems must be designed with privacy considerations at the forefront, often referred to as privacy by design. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA necessitate robust data governance practices, secure infrastructure, and clear communication to ensure compliance, which in turn helps build trust among consumers. However, these regulations also pose challenges for balancing AI innovation with privacy compliance. For example, AI systems thrive on large and diverse data sets to enhance their accuracy and adaptability. Compliance laws often restrict access to certain types of data or impose anonymization requirements, which can limit the depth and utility of available data sets. Additionally, companies face the financial burden of implementing compliance measures, such as appointing data protection officers or upgrading systems to meet regulatory standards. Despite these challenges, privacy regulations ultimately drive the adoption of ethical AI practices, fostering innovation within a framework that prioritizes accountability and respect for user rights. Striking this balance requires continuous collaboration between policymakers, businesses, and technology developers to ensure both advancements in AI and the safeguarding of privacy. Ethical AI and privacy protections, transparent data collection, and usage policies are essential for fostering trust and accountability in the age of artificial intelligence. Users should clearly understand what data is being collected, why it's needed, and how it will be used. Transparency allows individuals to make informed decisions about whether to share their personal information, ensuring their privacy rights are respected. Detailed documentation, open communication, and accessible privacy statements contribute to clarity. Businesses that prioritize transparency not only comply with regulatory requirements, but also differentiate themselves as ethical leaders, gaining consumer trust and loyalty. In an era where data misuse can result in serious legal and reputational consequences, transparency is not merely a courtesy, it's a necessity. Designing privacy-conscious AI systems involves integrating data protection measures into every stage of development. Best practices include adopting a privacy-by-design approach, where privacy safeguards are built into the system's architecture from the outset rather than being added later. Techniques such as data minimization, collecting only the data strictly needed for functionality, reduce exposure to risk. Other strategies include pseudonymization, which replaces personal identifiers with codes, and anonymization, which ensures data cannot be traced back to individuals. Regular audits and compliance checks further ensure adherence to privacy standards. Emerging technologies are also transforming the landscape of data security. Innovations like federated learning enable AI models to train on decentralized data without transferring sensitive information to a central server, reducing the risk of breaches. Blockchain technology offers immutable, transparent ledgers that can be used to track data access and usage securely. Additionally, advancements in encryption techniques such as homomorphic encryption allow computations on encrypted data without needing to decrypt it, protecting sensitive information while enabling powerful AI functionalities. These cutting-edge tools help businesses and organizations safeguard user data, enhance system resilience, and navigate the delicate balance between technological innovation and privacy protection. What can individuals and businesses do? For individuals, enhancing data literacy is crucial in navigating the digital landscape effectively. Understanding the basics of data collection practices, including what types of data are gathered and how they are used, empowers users to make informed decisions about their privacy. Keeping an eye out for clear privacy policies and actively reviewing permissions on apps and services can reduce unnecessary data sharing. Opting out of data sharing when possible is another valuable step. This might involve declining cookie tracking on websites or adjusting privacy settings on social media platforms. Additionally, using privacy-friendly online services such as search engines like DuckDuckGo or encrypted messaging apps like Signal allows individuals to interact in the digital space while maintaining greater control over their personal information. For businesses, investing in secure infrastructure is a fundamental strategy for protecting user data and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Employing advanced encryption technologies, regular vulnerability assessments, and robust firewalls help safeguard sensitive information against breaches and unauthorized access. Beyond technical measures, prioritizing consumer trust is equally important. Transparent communication about data practices, prompt responses to privacy concerns, and adherence to ethical standards foster trust and loyalty among users. Moreover, cultivating a privacy-centric culture within the organization ensures that privacy is treated as a core value rather than an afterthought. This involves training employees on best practices, integrating privacy into AI system design, and continuously evaluating data protection measures. By taking these steps, businesses can effectively balance innovation with privacy, creating solutions that are both technologically advanced and respectful of user rights. Future outlook. Artificial intelligence is set to grow even more sophisticated in the coming years, with advancements in generative AI, autonomous systems, and machine learning capabilities. As AI becomes more integrated into areas like healthcare, finance, and public infrastructure, its reliance on large data sets will intensify. This will likely amplify concerns about data privacy, particularly regarding the collection and processing of sensitive personal information. Emerging trends such as real-time data analytics and predictive modeling could push the boundaries of what AI systems can achieve, while simultaneously exposing users to new privacy risks. For example, the expansion of biometric data use and facial recognition in AI-driven solutions may raise questions about surveillance and the ethical treatment of personal identifiers. These evolving privacy concerns are expected to shape AI innovation and adoption profoundly. As public awareness grows, demand for privacy-conscious AI systems will likely increase, driving companies to adopt more transparent and ethical data handling practices. Privacy regulations may become even stricter, influencing the design of AI systems to include enhanced security features and data minimization techniques. This focus on privacy could also spark innovation, with the development of technologies like federated learning and differential privacy to ensure data protection without compromising AI's capabilities. Continuous collaboration among policymakers, tech developers, and the public will be critical in navigating these challenges. Policymakers must craft regulations that balance innovation with privacy rights, while developers should design AI systems that align with these frameworks and address public concerns. Public engagement, including feedback and education, will foster trust and a shared understanding of AI's impact. Together, this collaborative effort can create a future where AI thrives responsibly, delivering transformative benefits without undermining individual privacy. And now my final thoughts on AI data privacy. As AI continues to evolve and transform the way we live and work, the importance of data privacy cannot be overstated. Striking a balance between technological innovation and the protection of personal information is a challenge that requires ongoing collaboration among policymakers, tech developers, and the public. By embracing privacy-conscious practices, enforcing robust regulations, and fostering transparency, we can create an environment where AI advancements are both ethical and secure. This AI development is one that calls for vigilance and adaptability. Emerging technologies that enhance data security, such as federated learning and advanced encryption, are crucial tools in navigating this path. As individuals, cultivating data literacy and opting for privacy-friendly options can help us regain control over our personal information. For businesses and organizations, fostering a culture of privacy-centric innovation is key to aligning technological progress with societal expectations. Ultimately, by prioritizing ethics and accountability, we can embrace the transformative power of AI while safeguarding the values that matter most.